Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Max disposable razor. First, prepare your skin by washing it thoroughly with warm water and a gentle cleanser. This helps to soften the hair and open up your pores. Next, apply a generous, even layer of shaving cream or gel. This creates a protective barrier, allowing the razor to glide smoothly and reduce irritation. Finally, ensure your Max razor is clean and ready. Now, let's master your shaving technique. Hold your Max razor at approximately a 30-degree angle against your skin. This angle provides the most effective and comfortable shave. Use short, light strokes, always shaving in the direction your hair grows. Avoid applying too much pressure, as this can cause nicks and irritation. Remember to rinse the razor frequently under running water after every few strokes to keep the blades clear of hair and shaving cream. After shaving, proper post-shave care is crucial for healthy skin. Rinse your face thoroughly with cool water to close your pores and remove any remaining shaving cream or hair. Gently pat your skin dry with a clean, soft towel. Avoid harsh rubbing. Finally, apply a soothing aftershave balm or a hydrating moisturizer. This step helps to replenish moisture, reduce redness, and prevent dryness, leaving your skin feeling smooth and comfortable. Proper care extends the life of your razor and ensures hygiene. After each shave, rinse your Max disposable razor thoroughly under running water to remove all hair and product residue. Store it in a dry, well-ventilated spot to prevent moisture buildup and bacterial growth. For optimal performance and safety, dispose of your razor after approximately 5 to 7 uses, or as soon as you notice the blades becoming dull or pulling. Always dispose of it safely in a designated waste bin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.